She a bad bitch, I gotta have it. Since yesterday, got a brand new buzz, I'm
Hey, what's up guys? My name's Cody. Today, we're back with another video. As you guys can tell from the title, we're doing a butterfly knife trick video. And let's get straight to it, like, oh my god. Okay. So, this table's wet, I don't know. Basically, first trick, you guys should all know, is how to open the knife. Also, if you guys have a real butterfly knife, don't hold it by the bite handle. Hold it by the safe handle. The bite handle is the one with the latch. The safe handle isn't. And if you guys have a real butterfly knife, the way to tell which one the bite handle is the way the knife is, like, the way the blade, like the sharp part of the blade, is facing. Like, if it's facing the one with the latch, the handle with the latch, that's the bite handle. And basically, the way to open it is pretty simple, to be honest. All you guys gotta do, first of all, let me show you how it looks. That's how it looks. So, the way to do that, you flip it. Once you have it in this position where it's going up like that, you're gonna rotate it and then flip it back up. That's really all you guys have to do. So, recap on that. Open like that, and then rotate, flip. It's that simple. And then this is another trick. It's the same exact thing, but opposite. You're closing the knife in this position. So once you have it open, right, all you have to do is do that, rotate, flip. That's really simple, and that's all you have to do. So open, close. Okay, next trick, all you're gonna want to do, so this is what it looks like. Gonna grab it like that. Let me go right here. So grab it like that. Let me, I don't know how to do this trick good, guys. I just learned it today. So gonna grab it like that. So basically, how you guys are gonna do this, have the knife in a closed position, and basically gonna flip it open like that. Once you have it open, put your index finger right on top of, like, your thumb, not on top, but like right above your thumb, so it's like that. Then gonna move your thumb down as you're flipping it that way. Then you're just gonna flip it around like that, and then you're gonna grab it like that. Because once your thumb, once it's coming around, you're gonna move your thumb and then grab it. It's really it. So yeah, I don't know if I said 3 in the beginning of the video, like 3 tricks, but I just remembered another trick. I don't know how to do it good. Like, if this is what it looks like. It's supposed to go like that, but it's called the fan. This is how I do it. I'm not good at it, but I know how to do it, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys that. So open it. Once it's like that, all you want is gonna do, just, and then I love how I just did it. And yeah, that's basically it for the butterfly nice tricks. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
From the jigs on the set, it's a Porsche, not a bit. I confess, I'm a flex till they show some respect.